Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best catcher's gear is probably one of the most important investments for any young baseball player stepping behind the plate. This gear is designed to protect them from the impact of pitches and the rigors of the game. In this video, we'll dive into the essential aspects of catcher's gear for youth players aged 12 to 15, helping you make informed decisions to keep your young athletes safe and performing at their best. Number 5. All-Star Catcher's Gear Kit, Lightweight Protective Set. This is the All-Star Catcher's Gear Kit. It includes everything a catcher needs to stay safe and comfortable behind the plate. The set is designed to provide top-quality protection. This gear is made from lightweight and durable materials. It's designed to withstand the rigors of the game while remaining comfortable for the player. The set is built to last. The gear is both protective and comfortable. The design is fitted and streamlined, allowing for a full range of motion. It is designed to keep you safe. This set meets NOC standards, ensuring it provides the necessary protection. You can trust this equipment to keep you safe during every game. It's a reliable choice. The kit includes a helmet, chest protector, and leg guards. It's a complete set, ready to go right out of the box. This set has everything you need. What we like. This set is designed to be lightweight, making it easier for young catchers to move around the field. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of the game. If you are looking for a reliable and comfortable set that meets safety standards, this is a great choice. What people say. It fits great and for the price was super reasonable compared to other sites. Not only does this gear fit securely with the buckles tightened, as well as providing plenty of padding to keep her safe, but it's giving her a lot more coverage on her legs, and it's pretty. He'll be able to wear it for at least a few years. He says it's comfortable and he doesn't need to pull off the helmet to see properly. Number 4. Under Armour PTH Victory Series Catching Kit. This is the Under Armour PTH Victory Series Catching Kit. It's designed for young catchers. This kit provides essential protection for the game. This catching kit is perfect for young athletes aged 7 to 9. It's designed to fit comfortably and provide excellent protection for this age group. The kit includes a helmet, chest protector, leg guards, and a throat guard. It has everything needed to stay safe behind the plate. The chest protector is SCI certified and meets the NOC Commotio Corda standard. This means it provides top-level protection. The helmet is also SCI certified, meeting the NOC helmet standard. It's designed to protect the head from impacts. The leg guards feature additional knee and shin padding. This provides extra comfort and protection during long games. What we like. This kit includes everything your young catcher needs, from helmet to throat guard. The SCI certification provides assurance of its safety standards. If you have a young player who needs a complete, safe, and comfortable set, this is the one. What people say. 12 to 16 size was an excellent fit for my 5 feet 7 inches 115 to 120 pounds, boy man. Had trouble finding a good fit with other brands, make sure you check actual measurements in inches of each piece versus age or small, medium, large. We would have had to mix and match pieces of other brands to get the right fit. Under Armour 12 to 16 was the best fit overall for us. This helmet was also much more comfortable for my son compared to Wilson CK1. Removable shoulder protection and crouch was important. At first, chest protector seemed an odd fit and bulky, but after some adjustment and use, it conformed nicely. Shin guards were perfect. Everything is adjustable and the protection it offers for the buck is outstanding. Very well made and comfortable. I had read one review saying the 7 to 9 doesn't have the extra padding on the leg guards but ours came with it. Number 3. EASTON Elite X Baseball Catcher's Equipment Box Set. This complete box set includes everything you need. It comes with a hockey-style helmet, chest protector, and leg guards. This set is designed to keep you protected. The helmet features an adjustable ABS thermoplastic shell. It also has plush padding inside for maximum comfort and protection. This will keep your head safe. The chest protector is made with stacked memory foam. This is for protection and rebound control. It also has an adjustable strap for a secure fit. The leg guards have reinforced knee and thigh connections. This improves the fit and security when moving. It is designed to keep you safe. The youth set is designed for ages 9 to 12. The helmet is small, the chest protector is 15 inches, and the leg guards are 14 inches. This set meets NOC standards. This equipment meets NOC standards for all levels of play. You can be confident in its safety and performance. This is a great choice for any player. What we like. This set comes as a complete box set, making it easy to get started. The adjustable helmet ensures a secure and comfortable fit. If you are looking for a set that offers both protection and a secure fit, this is a great option. What people say. Bought this for my 12-year-old son. Other than the helmet being just a touch big, the rest of the set fit him perfectly. It was a huge step up in regards to protection from the beginner youth set. Was bought as a gift for a slim 11-year-old on the Giants team. Colors were great, able to adjust for a smaller frame, and appears to be a better product than the old Wilson gear they replaced. My son plays single A this season, and having his own gear has really helped his agility and confidence. We paired these pieces with cup underwear and he's protecting the plate as though he's invincible. Lightweight, true to photo colors, easy to put on and take off for fast inning transitions. Number 2. All-Star S7 Axis Catching Kit, ages 12 to 16. This is the All-Star S7 Axis Catching Kit, designed for ages 12 to 16. It's top-of-the-line equipment for baseball and softball catchers. This kit offers superior protection and comfort. This catching kit is made with top-quality materials. It's built to withstand the rigors of the game, ensuring it lasts. You can rely on it for peak performance. The kit prioritizes both protection and comfort. It's designed to keep you safe while allowing you to move freely. This allows you to focus on the game. The S7 Axis kit features a fitted and streamlined design. This ensures a snug fit and enhances mobility. It's designed to help you perform at your best. The streamlined design reduces bulk and improves agility. This allows for quicker reactions and better overall performance. It's the perfect choice for serious catchers. What we like. This gear is made with top-quality materials, ensuring both protection and comfort. The fitted and streamlined design allows for better mobility. If you prioritize comfort and performance, you should consider this set. What people say. Son had outgrown youth size but wasn't ready for adult. This was perfect, he will get a couple years use out of it. First, it looks great. He really loves the size of chest protector and how solid it is. He also likes the fit and the back of it. He likes the added protection on the shin guards. The helmet was a little big for his head, but we was able to adjust it to the lowest setting to fit. Got this for a 14 years old and fit great. Good quality, he loves the style. My son is a very athletic catcher. This was by far the best gear my husband and him looked at, and for the price on Amazon was best. He loved the fit and I am happy mom with the padding and protection it seems to have. Number 1. All-Star S7 Axis Catching Kit for ages 12 to 16. This is the All-Star S7 Axis Catching Mask. It features the eye-bar vision cage, designed for improved sight lines and enhanced strength. This mask is built to help you see the ball clearly and stay protected. The model number for this mask is MVP 2500. It's a key component of the All-Star S7 Axis Catching Kit. This model is designed for optimal performance and protection. Next up is the chest protector, model number CPCC 1216S7X. It features wedged abs, which are designed to improve your blocking and ball control. This protector is designed to keep you safe and help you make plays. This chest protector measures 15.5 inches. It's designed to provide excellent coverage and protection. The design helps you to control the ball. Finally, we have the leg guards, model number LG1216S7X. They feature the LNQ hinge system, which provides incredible mobility. These leg guards move and bend with you, allowing for a full range of motion. These leg guards measure 14.5 inches. They are designed to offer great protection while allowing for maximum flexibility. They are an essential part of the catching kit. What we like. This set features an eye-bar vision cage for improved sight lines. The wedged abs on the chest protector enhance ball control. The LNQ hinge system in the leg guards provides incredible mobility. If you are looking for a set that offers advanced features for optimal performance, this is the one. What people say. It lasted 2 years, 4 seasons, 5 different teams, and he caught almost every single game, roughly 20 plus games per team. He had this set in gray-white, but it has finally seen better days. He had the white-gray set for years through multiple spring, summer, and fall seasons. He is the main catcher on his team, so the gear does hold up. Quality gear. My son has tried many different kinds and he likes this brand the best. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.